Hello, students. For the final exam, no. Hello, students. For the final exam, go to a different course on your Canvas dashboard. So right here is our regular class, but you need to go to courses, or you can also find it in dashboard. My screen's going to look a little bit different than yours, but I'm going to go down to what you need, and it's called ESL 861 SLO Assessment. Okay, this box right here has the 3 quizzes that you need to take as the first 3 parts of your final exam. Your final exam has 4 parts, but the first 3 parts are inside here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. And when it opens up, there's going to be a lot of information to read, but you don't really need that. What you do is go to the bottom. So here there's a letter explaining what student learning outcomes, but the important thing here is to box here where it says SLO assessment. It looks like a puzzle. This is what you need to click on. All right, so I'm going to click on there. And when it opens up, you're going to see 3 surveys. They're called surveys, but they're actually quizzes. And they're right here. Your course name, ESL 861, SLO1, SLO2, SLO3. There's 5 questions in this one, 4 questions in this one, and 3 questions in this one. And they're all about the vocabulary that I told you should study. Okay? So each one you will click on. Take the quiz, and then you go next for each question and to complete the 3. After that, after you complete those 3, you're going to want to go back to our class to complete part number 4. Okay, I hope that helps you.